Welcome to Harvest of Years, where wisdom ripens with time, and every season of life teaches us something new. Today, we're uncovering a delicate truth: why some women begin to resent their husbands as the years pass, and more importantly, how couples can repair the bond before it breaks. 1. Feeling invisible. As women age, many feel like they're slowly fading into the background of their partner's life. When attention and affection shrink, resentment can quietly take root. The fix: notice her. A simple compliment, a genuine question, or even just listening without distraction can bring her back into focus and remind her that she matters. 2. Unequal workload. Even in retirement years, some women find themselves carrying the bulk of household duties, while their husbands relax. That imbalance can weigh heavily on the heart. The fix: share the load. Fold the laundry, prepare a meal, or take on one weekly responsibility. Little gestures of partnership carry big emotional weight. 3. Emotional distance. Some husbands close off emotionally over time, leaving their wives feeling like they're living with a stranger rather than a companion. The fix: open up. Share your thoughts, fears, and even your joys. Vulnerability builds intimacy, and intimacy heals distance. 4. Stalled communication. Decades together don't always mean better conversations. Some couples stop talking deeply, only exchanging routine words that keep the house running but not the heart alive. The fix: revive conversation. Ask open-ended questions, talk about dreams, even laugh over old memories. Keep the dialogue alive and meaningful. 5. Lack of appreciation. When effort goes unnoticed, whether it's caring for family, managing finances, or simply being present, it can feel like years of love have been taken for granted. The fix: express gratitude. Say thank you for the little things. Appreciation is like water for a thirsty plant. It brings relationships back to life. 6. Neglected intimacy. Physical closeness often declines with age, but ignoring it altogether can create deep feelings of rejection and resentment. The fix: redefine intimacy. Hold hands, cuddle, or share gentle affection daily. Intimacy isn't just physical, it's the warmth of closeness. 7. Broken promises and unmet expectations. When dreams of travel, growth, or even shared hobbies fall by the wayside, disappointment can harden into bitterness. The fix: reignite the vision. Start small, take that weekend trip, try a new activity together, or simply revisit old goals. A shared future can still be written. Resentment doesn't have to be the last chapter of a marriage. With awareness, effort, and love, healing is always possible. If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself, share it with someone who may need it. And remember to subscribe to Harvest of Years for more timeless wisdom to guide your journey. Because in the harvest of years, love can still bloom, if we choose to nurture it.